Please rotate your phone. Open Lightroom. Don't skip this video. Add photo gallery. Please subscribe my channel. Open Light Tools. Adjust exposure. Adjust contrast. Adjust highlights. Please like me. Adjust shadows. Adjust whites. Adjust blacks. Open color mix. Adjust red color. Adjust saturation. Adjust luminous. Adjust orange color. Adjust luminous. Adjust saturation. Adjust green color. Adjust saturation. Adjust yellow color. Adjust saturation. Adjust violet color. Adjust hue. Adjust saturation. Adjust blue color. Adjust saturation. Click to done. Adjust temperature. Adjust tint. Adjust vibrance. Adjust saturation. Adjust color grading. Adjust blending. Adjust balance. Click to done. Open effects. Adjust texture. Adjust clarity. Adjust vignette. Adjust midpoint. Adjust feather. Export image. Please subscribe my channel. Please like me.